the trial of Srila Prabhupada, when he was asked to leave America in 1968, that time he went to Canada. At that time I left San Francisco after Rath Yatra and went to Montreal to meet Srila Prabhupada because I heard he was going back to India and he may never return. I thought I'd been looking for years and years for one person who had some spiritual wisdom. And here I find so many enlivened devotees that now their spiritual master, the great master who has come to India with this message, he's going back, I may never meet him. So they tried to tell me, the temple president, well, you should just stay here. Don't leave the temple. Don't worry. You won't understand what Srila Prabhupada says anyway. He speaks with an Indian accent. So I was very confused, being a new bhakta, what to do. So someone took me aside, listen, don't believe these guys. You just ask him that if you pay his way, would he like to go to see Srila Prabhupada? And you'll find out the real truth. So then I could understand that he just wanted to keep another brahmachari in the temple. And sure enough, he would also like to go to see Srila Prabhupada. So then I went to see Srila Prabhupada to surrender personally at his lotus feet. And in those days we didn't have any Sankirtan. We didn't have any big book distribution. We'd get a few back to Godheads from New York and then think about how to give them out to anybody that wanted them. And pretty soon they were even printing a few thousand copies. But it was not really that our movement was based on book distribution. So that time, all the devotees in America were signing a petition to get Prabhupada a permanent visa status. And there was no money in the temple. So when I came, I had to work in a factory. I had a job in an A&W coffee shop cleaning up after the people because Prabhupada was going to be evicted from his house. I was sweeping the floor. And the people used to curse me why I would sing while I swept. They said, you're the lowest man on earth. This is the worst job in the world. You're supposed to be miserable while you're always singing and smiling. And every night I would go to hear Srila Prabhupada lecture, every morning. So after that kind of experiences, working in a welding shop and all those different things, I was a student at Brown University in Providence, Rhode Island. I was going to prep schools. I never really had to work like that before.